Alright, we're all going to hit this bridge and make the left, okay? Go to the fountain, but don't go crazy because I'm going to stay behind you. What? Why don't we just take a ride? Go. We should go all out. We should go to the end and back. You know? Maybe we'll see Little Mermaid again. Look at right up that hill if we take off. It doesn't seem like there's a lot of people in the park today, so we got a good opportunity of taking a ride without getting hindered. Did you hear that? What? I said, we have an opportunity today because there's not a lot of people in the park, so we're not going to be hindered. Stop and go, stop and go. So might as well take advantage of it. Leave it on, Nicholas. You don't have to keep turning it on and off. It's not going to make a difference. Watch all the kids over there. You're going to go real slow. You don't have to keep turning it on and off. You only turn it off when we stop for a long time. Boy, Christopher, I think I spoke too soon. Go ahead. Don't come up the curve crooked. You got to come straight up. You hear me? Got it? Huh? It's broken up over here. Come up right here. Right over here. Come here. Right here. Straight. Right here. Straight. Over here. Right here. Okay? Alright, to the right. To the right. Spoke too soon, Chris. Alright, everybody stop right here. Stop.